Welcome back to the channel. This is Tony. So today we are headed out to Pedernales Falls State Park. So we're going to go out on a scouting mission to see what we can find as far as for camping. This is pretty much a much smaller park. So it's got limited camping, but the main attraction is going to be the falls. So we're going to go check it out, scope it out, and see how it is. So come along. All right, so now we're in the park road right now, entering the park. And again, this is a relatively small park, but it's fairly accessible, close to Austin, and is definitely a place that I'd like to come and camp just when I want to just get out, like go on a Friday afternoon and go camp just to get out. So we'll go check it out. You definitely want to get your reservations. Currently right now, it's about 2 to 3 weeks, maybe even 4 weeks for most parks in Texas right now for a good campsite, or even any campsite. It's pretty, you know, they're filling up quick, especially for the holidays. They do have quite a few trails for hiking and for horses, and there's one bird lookout which I'd like to go check out and see what that's all about. Finally, we got a fall day. I mean, it's like in the mid to high 60s right now, forecast to get maybe into the low 70s. So now we're really starting to feel like we got some fall coming in. All right, so this is just a parking spot for trails to go hiking. So there's quite a few trails off of here to go hiking. There might be some remote camping. We might check that out later on. We'll see. But yeah, this is just a little trailhead, I guess you want to call it. We're gonna go next. We're gonna go check out the actual campsite where the camping is. That's coming up over here. It's a little windy today. Yeah, that's a shame. Yeah, you can even see all the dust blowing up from the ash. All right, so here we are, the camping area. Well, that's nice. Really nice. Yeah, I could do one of these. You pitch your tent, have your little fire pit. It's all reserved, so probably for the week or who knows what. That's a nice one. Yeah, I'm definitely going to go ahead and come out here and camp. These are a little more exposed. I like those ones that were hidden back. Yeah, I like this. A nice one. There you go. Tents and all. Yeah, I like that one. 31. $33 looks good too. Got our bathrooms up here. Yeah, bathrooms and showers. River access. Yeah, I like that one, 38. $39 is a nice one. $40, that's another good one. These are all good ones along here. We're giving a couple loops just to get a complete tour, because it's a small park. So we want to, get a full view of this park. So we might be coming through with just a right-hand view, and then the same road with the left-hand view. That's a nice one tucked down in there, 52. I like the ones that are a little more not so just right out in the middle of where you're at. Like that one, that's a nice one. You got a nice little space there. Like I said, it's just all about, what you like. This is one of those places where, I can come out on a Friday afternoon, set up camp and hang out on Saturday and go for a hike. That must be the host. Ah, see Marcos? She had a Ryobi drill. Go Team Ryobi. I haven't really been much of a hiker. Back when I was in my, I guess, teens, pre-teens, I was totally into wanting to be a backpacker and do all that stuff and just be self-sufficient just to what I can carry with me and just go out into the wilderness. We'll have to get back to some of that, I guess. Yeah, that really did come all the way down here. At least it didn't jump the road. Okay, picnic area. There we go. Let's check this out. No dispersed camping here. Yeah, again, this is a leisure little laid back ride to come out here. It's not a big production where you have to drive 2 hours. Again, 45 minutes from my house. That's pretty convenient. Like I said, for coming out on a Friday and just bopping out here, and when you just want to be out in the stars and have a campfire and just get away from all that. Yeah, so you got some picnic tables and that's nice. Plus, your bathrooms are here and everything. Oh, check this out. This must be the swimming area. Kind of cold to go swimming. But you never know. You can hike down to the water. Another trailhead. So there must be the bird watching area is further down here. That's the youth group. I guess where the Boy Scouts and all that stuff go. It's like they had a fire back here at some point. Bird blind. we go check out the bird blind. Uh-huh. Well, we won't disturb them. Looks like there's someone here checking it out. They also had the equestrian area back there. So this is the main hiking area when you want to hike down to the falls and go fishing. Busy today. Howdy. There you go, Pedernales Falls. It's not too bad of a hike. I mean, it's really mild, but you can hike way up that river. There's trails that run along the river that you can hike on and go way back up in there. There's one right there. Come out here and camp and you can spend the day hiking around here. Alright, so there you have it. Pedernales Falls State Park. Some decent camping, again, for just a quick getaway. Some hiking. There's a lot of hiking. I didn't explore it all. I just didn't have time today. But there's quite a bit of hiking out here, and if that's your thing and you just want to get away, and there's not a lot of activity and a lot of stuff like some of these other parks, but it is a quick, short getaway that's relatively close and accessible versus somewhere like Enchanted Rock or Inks or some Garner or some of the other parks that are going to take you a couple hours to get to. So in that aspect, I think this is a decent park to just come out for a weekend camp and do some hiking or just hang out, you know. That's what I'm going to use it for. Maybe do some bird watching. So we're going to go ahead and wrap this video up here. It's been a fun little ride through the Pedernales Falls State Park. We've seen some good camping. So if you like this video, give me a nice thumbs up. That helps me out to bring better videos for you and just do more stuff for you. Subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss any of my other videos, and we'll catch you on the next one. Adios.